Run the code online or download from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title: Understanding Python Backward Compatibility, a comprehensive tutorial. Introduction. Python, a popular programming language, has evolved over the years with new features, optimizations, and improvements. Backward compatibility is a key aspect of Python's development, ensuring that code written in older versions can still run smoothly on newer releases. In this tutorial, we'll explore the concept of backward compatibility in Python, discussing its importance and providing code examples to illustrate how it works. Backward compatibility, often abbreviated as backcompat, refers to the ability of a software system to accept and run code that was written for an earlier version of the system. In the context of Python, it means that code written for an older version should still be executable on newer versions without major modifications. Python is committed to maintaining a high degree of backward compatibility, allowing developers to smoothly transition between versions. The Python Software Foundation, PSF, puts significant effort into ensuring that code written for older Python versions remains functional in newer releases. In this example, the print statement syntax changed from Python 2 to Python 3. Python 3 introduced the print function, requiring parentheses around the printed content. The ecrange function was removed in Python 3, and the range function now behaves like the old ecrange. In Python 3, the division operator / performs true division by default, yielding a float result. In Python 2, you would use from __ future _ import division to achieve a similar behavior. Python introduces new features and optimizations in each version. While code may remain backward compatible, taking advantage of new features might require modification. Always refer to the release notes for each version to understand changes and improvements. To ensure your code remains backward compatible, consider the following. Backward compatibility is a crucial aspect of Python's development philosophy. Understanding the changes between versions and following best practices will help you maintain code that works seamlessly across different Python releases. Regularly updating and testing your code will contribute to a smoother transition to newer Python versions. ChatGPT.